I really like this kind of the trips, like pack the gear, go somewhere with the car. Okay, I planned the place, but I have no idea what I'm gonna do there. We're just gonna have fun. We're gonna walk, we're gonna explore, and we're gonna fly FPV drones, we're gonna film with the cameras. I'm gonna show you all this beauty of this land. You know guys, it's 6 AM Poland, Wednesday, so I have no real idea what I'm doing. And also today is a special video for me because I try to move like to cinematic kind of filming to save my time with the video edition, and at the same time just keep this cinematic look. And what the fuck is this? And I was planning to fly here, but there is what are they doing here? There is one of the biggest water dam here on the, and there is a guy, a worker. Yes, you ruined my video with this shit. And there is another one. I can't turn here. Alright, so I took a wrong way. So okay, I can show you guys the bridge. We can go. It's so bumpy roads. Okay, stuż fušt, I will be first. Hey. So this is our beautiful bridge. Actually, that would be a good idea to fly here, or maybe our FPV drone. What's the time now? 8:45 in the morning. Let's drink a little bit water. It's so hot. And let's climb in my car. Alright, it's time to wear goggles. We'll see how this feels to fly here. I will fly like before in the ultra wide. So mission tomatoes completed, and also today we have all of the settings in all of the cameras full automatic, everything automatic, everything automatic, colors, shutter speed, ISO, white balance, whatever. All the cameras today film like straight from the box. Oh, there is a nice place. Let's try to get in there. I will take banana. POV banana. It's a really good banana. And we try to find a really nice cinematic spot for our FPV video, so we're gonna have fun and then gonna fly and then try to get to the places where nobody get to it, or I am just too lazy to walk there. Okay, let's clean the lens. Really professional cleaning. So this is the DJI Neo 2. I really like this drone, but we'll see if this drone like us today. So what do you have here? Rear, medium, flat, follow. That's actually a good idea. So
rear, follow, 3, 2, 1.
And the little buddy will follow us. Alright, let's get in. Oh my god, this is so cold. Oh, that water is super cold. Yeah, because it's coming from the mountains. Oh, this is really beautiful. But I will try to find like a place somewhere where I can sit maybe. So yeah, why not? And also one idea, we change a camera. Yes, so we change a camera now, so I want to look like an idiot with a camera on the head. It's really hard to walk on it. All the rocks, you can so easily slide on them. Anyway, we're going to... Oh my god! I can't walk! I have to try to find a place, a spot, so maybe I don't have to be in the water, because I think my feet will... I almost don't feel my feet now. It's so cold. Oh. Yes, there is a piece of the land. Let's try to get in there. Oh, yes. Yes. I think that will be a good spot for a fly. So come to me, little Neo. And this little body is super cool, really. It can follow you, you can fly with this like a normal drone, FPV drone. Now it's the time to switch our drones. DJI Avata 2, here's the drone. And we're going to film also with all of the automatic settings. Let's clean the lens, like always, really professional with my t-shirt. Like I said before, we won't play today too much. We won't play too much today with color grading, video edition, whatever, nothing. Alright, the sun is going up. It will be really hot today as well. So it's a time to start our drone. And I start Avata 2 from the hand, like this. Yes. That looks kind of good. So Google's on. Yes, here I am. We turn around. First of all, we do the shot. Alright, so yes, that's me. And I even this time press a record button, so fantastic. Okay, let's go, let's see what is there.
Need to go somewhere. I'm fading in the air. Can't find myself down there. I need to go somewhere to run away. 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 How to fly. You are mine. All the questions in my mind. How to cry. You and all the questions in my mind. Oh, how to fly.
Alright, we get back to our car. It's time to move on to find a new spot. And I think I really deserve for second banana. Yeah, well, we go for the small village now. And that clouds there, it doesn't look safe, but I hope they will give me a really nice shots with our drones. Here behind the tree. I think so. This place looks nice. Yes. This is super cool, and we're going to fly there. We switch the camera to my chest now. We can still continue recording. Palm. Palm. Yep. This we can take it down on the neck. Let's take our goggles on. the manual 25 degrees angle